Лайк басқаннан неге аясыздар? Саусақтарыңыз 10 томда болса да.
Ай, лайк бассаңыз басыңдар, көңіліме бір бітемде.
Thank you. Actually, I am Kazakh, born at the Kazakh territory occupied by China. And I'm a citizen of Kazakhstan now, the territory occupied by Putin. At January, my country occupied by Russia again. Putin sent his army to Kazakhstan at January because the peaceful people made a demonstration in Kazakhstan at January 2022, and our dictator Tokay requested Putin to send his army, and the Putin's army shoot the innocent people without warning, because President ordered a shoot to death without warning. And the whole world know the Putin killing innocent Ukrainians. Yes, we know it. We are together. We support Ukrainian people. My unlucky nation, my unlucky country, our territory is between three devil countries, Russia, China, and Iran. Now, my country is peacefully occupied by Russia again after get independent, fake independent, after Soviet Union collapsed. 4 months ago, the bloody revolution happened in Kazakhstan, also destroyed and killed, shot by Putin's army. And now, after January revolution of Kazakhstan, second step happening on Ukraine. I don't understand, maybe I never understand in my life why the Western countries keep silence on it. I believe European Union, NATO and America has power of stop everything immediately. But they didn't, because European countries, especially the oligarchs, every day they pay Putin $1 billion for Russian gas. Every day Putin get $1 billion from European oligarchs because they earn money together. And the Kazakh is the number 9 big territory in the world, and the number 4 or number 5 oil and the gas rich country in the world, and the world 60% of uranium located in our country, but all of our resource, oil, gas, gold, copper, titanium, uranium, almost occupied by our dictator groups, and our dictator is a puppet of Putin, is the puppet of Putler. So I call my nation is the unlucky nation in the world between Russia and China. I'm so sorry what happened on Ukraine. I love Ukrainians. Slava Ukraina.
Героям слава!
I call whole Western countries, the whole human being. It is similar while World War II happened, while Hitler occupied Poland, while Hitler began to occupy the small countries of Europe, and the Western countries is kept silence, and it let Hitler crazy killed 6 million innocent Jewish people and the Gypsy people and other people. Now, Putin is Hitler. Putin is 100% of Hitler number 2. And why we keep silence? Why we keep the war is continue? Every day people is dying in Ukraine. and everyday people is dying in Kazakhstan because after the peaceful demonstration, 10,000 Kazakhs arrested by Putin's puppet Tokayev and the Nazarbayev dictators. 10,000 Kazakhs are jailed of KGB now in Kazakhstan, but the whole world is kept silent. And I believe that if we try, I believe if we give forces and the Western countries could stop everything immediately, except the oligarchs who pay every day $1 billion to Putin. Everything is because of money. Everything is because of they keep silence, and everything is because they earn money from Putin and these dictators. Everything. Why we are unlucky? Because we are so rich. Because we have a rich oil, gas, uranium, gold, copper. Why they want to occupy Ukraine? Why they kill Ukrainians? Because of Black Sea, because of the strategy, because of the Ukrainians' land. Slava Ukraina! Let all innocent people get freedom. Thank you very much.